Since the dawn of memory, we have sought to protect what is precious. Dust-covered wooden chests once guarded ancient manuscripts, while iron armor shielded the warriors of old. Like a library's sturdy shelves or a cage protecting a flickering lamp, the art of defense has always been a balance of strength and purpose. From Da Vinci's early sketches of steel frames to the massive electrical relays of the 19th century, we learned to contain power. We watched as tin boxes rusted and iron rivets held together the hulls of great ships, each step a lesson in how to shield our progress from the relentless march of time. The giant ENIAC stood exposed, a tangled maze of wires waiting for a home. We evolved through the simple plastic shells of the 80s, watching the sand in the hourglass flow toward a new era of materials. We studied the movement of the wind, searching for a way to let our technology breathe while keeping it safe. From the crystal structure of raw iron ore to the electric sparks dancing on cold metal, the science of the shell began to take shape. We saw the contrast between the rough wood of the past and the fine, rolled steel of the future, driven by a scientist's vision to protect the most sensitive hearts of our machines. An ancient key turns to open a new chapter in containment. We began to push back the dust with walls of steel, sketching the complex dance of airflow on paper. Inspired by the natural perfection of the honeycomb, we found the ultimate design for the modern mesh, a structure that is both open and secure. Water rolls off cold steel, unable to penetrate the armor of innovation. The sepia tones of history now dissolve into the brilliant light of the modern factory. Giant robotic arms awaken like iron giants as the heavy rhythm of industrial progress begins to beat in the heart of the workshop. The process begins with massive rolls of SPCC steel, flattened by heavy rollers into a perfect canvas of metal. Fiber lasers cut through the sheets with surgical precision, carving out the intricate paths for cable management. Every line is a testament to digital accuracy, designed for a world of order and efficiency. Scrap metal falls away as a 200-ton CNC press stamps the side panels into their final form. Robots lift the flawless steel, free of any burr or imperfection. We punch the honeycomb mesh with relentless speed, creating a front panel that optimizes every breath of air for the system hidden within. Steel is bent with absolute care to ensure both strength and safety for the user. Tiny sparks fly as spot welding robots fuse the central frame together, while CNC machines drill screw holes to the exact micron. Every panel is verified by digital laser rulers, ensuring that the foundation of the case is perfectly flat. The skeleton is suspended on a high-speed conveyor, moving through chemical baths to strip away oils and prevent rust. After a blast of hot air, automated guns spray a fine mist of electrostatic powder. Black or white, the particles cling to the metal like a second skin, driven by the silent force of electromagnetism. Inside the 200-degree oven, the coating is baked to a durable finish. It emerges smooth, scratch-resistant, and ready for the world. We verify the thickness with electromagnetic sensors, ensuring that our protection is consistent from the smallest corner to the largest panel. Diamond cutters slice through sheets of massive white glass, which are then ground to a soft, safe radius. We tempered the glass to increase its strength 5-fold before silk screening the black borders that will hide the steel beneath. This is the window to the soul of the machine, as strong as it is clear. High-impact resin is injection molded into HDD trays and sturdy feet, while magnetic dust filters are fitted to keep the interior pristine. We install the I/O control panel, the gateway of power and data, connecting the human touch to the digital world through a network of colorful cables and precise switches. Rubber grommets are fitted to protect the wiring, and silent fans are mounted to the front and rear. As the first current flows, the blades begin to spin, a quiet promise of the cooling power to come. This is where the structural steel meets the dynamic movement of air, creating a living environment for technology. LED strips illuminate the frame as robots lower the tempered glass into its final position. Thumb screws are tightened by mechanical hands, sealing the fortress. We subject the case to extreme pressure, placing heavy weights on the roof to prove that our structure will never bend under the burdens of the modern world. We visualize the airflow with white smoke, ensuring every breeze is directed exactly where it's needed. In vibration chambers, we measure the stability of the fans at peak speeds and verify the electrical insulation of the entire frame. Even the glass is tested with standard impacts, proving its resilience against the unexpected. Side panels are checked for a perfect, gapless fit under intense lighting. Every button click is verified for sensitivity, and a simulated mainboard is installed to prove the accuracy of every screw hole. Finally, robotic arms clear away every fingerprint, polishing the glass until it reflects only our commitment to excellence. Lasers etch the SPCC material codes and unique identities into the steel as ionized air clears away the static. We recycle every scrap of metal and aluminum, bamnyo for a new life. Our commitment to sustainability is as strong as the steel we forge, ensuring that our innovation respects the planet. Wastewater is purified through reverse osmosis, while solar panels power the factory's lights. Quality managers sign off on the data as robots nestle the case into biosafe protective bags. We are building more than a product. We are delivering a promise of sustainable protection wrapped in industrial pride. Five-layer cartons and EPE foam provide a fortress for the journey. Automated sealing machines lock the box, and robots stack the pallets with mathematical logic. Behind the matte black finish lies 1,000 precise welds, a testament to an industry that values both the massive and the microscopic. High-speed conveyors run in silence as engineers monitor the laser cutting through a blue protective glass. Thousands of steel frames stand in rows, a silver army of structural strength. From the heat of the oven to the cleanliness of the floor, every detail is managed with a focus on absolute perfection. USB ports are tested for endurance, and the airflow structure is stripped down for demonstration. Every thumb screw and every accessory bag is accounted for, ensuring that when the user opens the box, the experience is flawless. We are turning raw SPCC steel into the silent guardians of human intelligence. The heat from the oven radiates through the shop, a visual echo of our power. Every QR code is scanned for traceability as the smart warehouse grows into a city of towers. The pride of the worker meets the accuracy of the system, resulting in a product that is 100% certified for quality. From a single sheet of steel to a finished fortress, the time-lapse of creation is complete. As the sunset hits the factory windows, the metal surfaces glow with a job well done. Pallets move toward the shipping docks, ready to protect the data and dreams of users across the globe. In the silence of a modern workspace, a fortress of light stands guard. Beneath the tempered glass, the heart of technology beats in perfect rhythm, shielded from the world. We create a Faudai for your intelligence, where cool air circulates effortlessly around the heat of innovation. There is peace of mind in perfection. As old steel returns to the earth to be reborn, we see a sustainable circle of care. Technology is more than components. It is the art of structure. A small sprout growing beside our workshop is a reminder that we build for a greener, safer future. From the touch of a hand on cold steel to the sunrise filtering through the mesh, we find beauty in protection. These cases are the silent guardians of a connected world, transforming raw materials into the pillars of a global data center. Every weld and every plate is a promise of security. We dream of a future where structures adapt to their environment, driven by the transparency of our production and the strength of our materials. Our designs become thinner, smarter, and more respectful of space, proving that the best protection is the one you can trust completely. In the quiet of a creative studio, the galaxy of light begins to glow. We look toward a green era of technology, where every case is a bridge between today and tomorrow. For every life we touch, we stand firm, solid structures, boundless wisdom.